address, may I call on Miguel Joaquim Malaban.
Good morning, everyone. Today marks the end of our journey together, but it's also the beginning of a new adventure. To our wonderful teachers, thank you for guiding us with patience and love. To our dear parents, thank you for helping us with our homework and motivating us to always be good. And to my dear classmates, thank you for filling each day with laughter and friendship. As we bid farewell, let's promise to cherish the memories we created and carry them in our hearts forever. Farewell, everyone. May our futures be as bright as our smiles today. Thank you.
Thank you, Joaquim. And to give us our closing remarks, may I call on our beloved school head, Mrs. Bernardina Panganiban. Good morning, everyone, my dear parents, children, visitors, and friends. A pleasant good morning to everybody. As another year comes to a close, we thank you for choosing Infant Jesus School of Alabang to be the school to nurture and to teach your children. It is with honor and dignity to be assisting students every year. Congrats also to the parents who stood with their children and gave them their dedication and wholehearted support. To the teachers, Teacher Lani and Teacher Corinne, who patiently teach these children. Sa mga magulang, taus-pusong pasasalamat. At sana po ay ang hiling namin ay pagsubaybay sa inyong mga anak hanggang sila ay makatapos ng pag-aaral. Sila po ang inyong patnubay at gabay sa inyong pagtanda. Maraming po salamat. At huwag po tayong makakalimot palagi na lagi tayong manalangin sa Panginoon Diyos, sa mahal na Birhen, kasama ang ating mga anak para sila ay gabay at patnubayan. Maraming po salamat. Thank you very much. Thank you, teacher. Again, I would like to call on all the graduates to please stand up